Hello and welcome to Jobs and Education. This is your Mahesh Dole. Do subscribe and share my videos. Let me continue our ESET preparation with this fourth video of heat power engineering. The special topic is properties of steam. So very important topic for mechanical engineering students. Let's get started. So what exactly mean by steam? Steam is an invisible gas created by adding heat energy to water. What it is? So steam is nothing but it is the heat energy added to the water. It is liquid water changed to its gaseous state. So we know that when we heat the water, what happens? There will be some gaseous form appears on that. That is nothing but steam. What is saturated steam? It is a steam in immediate contact with the water from which it is being generated. So it is immediate contact with the water from which it is being generated. If the pressure remains constant, any loss of heat or BTUs will result in condensation. If the pressure remains constant, any loss of heat or BTUs will result in condensation. The question regarding these kind of properties of steam, the enthalpy of dry saturated steam dash with the increase in pressure. So it may decrease or increase or remains constant or all of the above. The enthalpy of dry saturated steam will decrease with the increase in pressure. What is superheated steam? If more heat is added to dry saturated steam at a constant pressure, increasing its temperature and specific volume, superheated steam is produced. If more heat is added to a dry saturated steam at a constant pressure, increasing its temperature and specific volume, superheated steam will produce. Heat must be lost and temperature reduced before condensation occurs. Question regarding this, the dryness fraction of superheated steam is maybe equals to 1 or less than 1 or equals to 1 or greater than 1 and none of the above. So the dryness fraction of superheated steam is equals to 1. What is supersaturated steam is also called as? Supersaturated steam is also called as two-phase mix. What exactly mean by two-phase mix? In supersaturated steam, there is a mixture of two phases, gaseous and liquid. So it is called as two-phase mix. What is flash steam? So when condensate at saturation temperature and pressure is discharged into a region of lower pressure, it automatically adjusts to the saturated conditions at the lower pressure. This is flash steam. In effect, some of the condensate is re-evaporated into steam. Some of the basic definitions. What exactly mean by heat? Heat is nothing but a form of energy. What is temperature? The degree of hotness with no implication of amount of heat energy. So temperature means the degree of hotness, or simply we can say that a coldness or hardness. Expressed in terms of degrees of Fahrenheit, 32 degrees is freezing and 212 degrees is the boiling point at atmospheric pressure. What is BTU? It is nothing but British thermal unit. The amount of heat energy required to raise the temperature of 1 pound of water 1 degree Celsius. More correctly, 1 by 1/80th of the amount of heat required to raise 1 pound of water from 32 degrees to 212 degrees at atmospheric pressure. Another basic definitions. What is pressure? The collision of molecules of a gas with the walls of a container represented in PSI or PSIA or PSIG. What is PSI? Pounds per square inch. What is PSIA? Pounds per square inch absolute. So it includes atmospheric pressure or 14.7 PSIA. What is PSIG? Pounds per square inch gauge measures pressure above atmospheric. So what is sensible heat? It expressed in BTU or lubes. So the heat required to bring one lube of water from the freezing point to boiling point corresponding to any pressure. Higher pressures mean higher boiling points. This is sensible heat. Regarding this, there is a question. When water is heated with rise of temperature, it consumes. When water is heated with rise of temperature, it consumes maybe latent heat or enthalpy or sensible heat or none of the above. Its answer is sensible heat. So when water is heated with rise of temperature, it consumes a sensible heat. Next question, when water is heated without rise of temperature, it consumes. When water is heated without rise of temperature, it consumes latent heat. What is latent heat of evaporation? So expressed in BTU or loops, the amount of heat required to convert 1 pound of water to steam. The latent heat of evaporation means the amount of heat required to convert 1 pound of water to steam. Latent heat is the potential energy of steam or the usable part of steam. When these BTUs are released or given up, condensation takes place and a pound of condensate results. Note that as pressure increases, the BTU requirement to change 1 pound of water to steam decreases. Next question, the latent heat of steam at the atmospheric pressure is. The latent heat of steam at the atmospheric pressure is, that is 2257 kilojoules per kg. Next question, during superheating of steam, the heat supplied is. During superheating of steam, the heat supplied is, that may be latent heat or sensible heat. Answer is sensible heat. What is specific volume? It expressed in feet cube per loom. The space occupied by 1 pound of steam at a particular pressure. As pressure increases, specific volume decreases. As pressure increases, specific volume decreases. Volume of steam is approximately. So volume of steam is approximately 800 times that of water. Very important question. Next question, heat was given to a body which results or which rises its temperature by 1 degree Celsius is. Heat was given to a body which rises its temperature by 1 degree Celsius is, that is thermal capacity. Moving on to the next question, mixture of steam and liquid water is called. Mixture of steam and liquid water is called as wet steam. Next question reads, when dry saturated steam is further heated, its dryness fraction is. When dry saturated steam is further heated, its dryness fraction is, that is remains same. Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe and share my videos. This is your Mahesh Dole.